Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, today learn how to make a snowflake. Begin, I will make a circle. I make 5 join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I make slip stitch in the first join. Now I make 5 join. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I make double crochet. I will make 6 double crochet in the circle. So I make 2 chain, 1, 2, then double crochet, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 chain, then double crochet, 1, 2, then double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make 2 chain, then slip stitch in the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. Now I will make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and I will make 4 double crochet in the space, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet. Then I make 2 chain, 1, 2, then I make 4 double crochet in the space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will continue around. I end the row, then make slip stitch, slip stitch. Now I make 1 chain and then make slip stitch in double crochet, 1 slip stitch, 2, 3, 4. Then I make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, then slip stitch in the space, then I make 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then slip stitch. then make 7 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then slip stitch, then make 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 5, then slip stitch, then make 3 chain. 1 2 3, then slip stitch. This like I will make continue in the spaces, then I make single, make slip chain in the double crochet. 1 2 3 4, then I make 5 3 5 7 5 3. Make this the snowflake like this. Then I will make 10 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then slip stitch, the snowflake